IntelliClinX, empowering global healthcare talent. IntelliClinX bridges global talent with India's healthcare excellence, offering international medical, dental, and allied health students a one-year immersive internship in India's leading hospitals and healthcare institutions. This program provides hands-on clinical exposure, structured research opportunities, and cross-cultural learning, equipping students to thrive in global healthcare environments. Corporates can play a vital role in this initiative through CSR funding. By supporting IntelliClinX, companies not only contribute to the development of the next generation of healthcare professionals but also enhance their social impact, strengthen brand visibility, and fulfill strategic CSR objectives. For other institutions and participants, the program ensures accessibility through nominal costs, making this a win-win for all stakeholders. Indian hospitals benefit immensely by hosting international medical graduates. These in turn bring diverse perspectives, energy, and the latest medical knowledge from their home countries, enhancing the learning environment for local staff. Hospitals can strengthen their global reputation, foster international collaborations, and contribute to shaping highly skilled professionals who may become future healthcare partners worldwide. International medical schools sending their students to India gain unparalleled advantages. Interns experience high volume, diverse patient populations, advanced treatment protocols, and innovative healthcare practices. They develop critical problem-solving skills, adaptability, and cross-cultural competence, all essential for success in global healthcare careers. IntelliClinX also integrates AI-enabled mentorship and flexible learning modules, allowing students to catch up on missed concepts and receive personalized guidance. They gain hands-on clinical skills, research experience, and networking opportunities with healthcare professionals and institutions across India. Institutions, corporates, and hospitals that partner with IntelliClinX not only contribute to global healthcare education but also build stronger international networks, enhance institutional prestige, and make a lasting social impact. Join hands for IntelliSmart Edge Healthcare Education Initiative, the IntelliClinX today. Empower international students, strengthen Indian healthcare institutions, and invest in the future of global medicine. Register now to be part of this transformative initiative.